For this problem, we're going to graph y equals 4x squared. Let's graph this one by plotting points. So let's make a table. Let's make an x, y equals 4x squared, and an xy table. So as we make our table, let's choose some values for x because our equation is solved for y. And let's find out what the corresponding y value will be, and we'll have some ordered pairs to graph, and we'll have the graph of our equation. So let's choose 0 for x, and 1 and negative 1 for x also. If I plug in 0 for x, I will have y is equal to 4 times 0 squared, which will end up being 0. So our first point will be 0, 0. For our second point, we'll plug in 1 for x and see what the corresponding y value will be. So y will equal 4 times 1 squared, which 1 squared is 1, times 4 is 4. So our next point will be 1, 4. Now our last point, let's plug in a negative 1 for x, and we will have y is equal to 4 times negative 1 squared. Negative 1 squared is 1. And 1 times 4 is also 4, so our last point will be negative 1, 4. There's 3 points on this graph. Let's graph those. 0, 0 is the origin, right here. 1, 4 is 1 to the right, and 4 up. And 1 to the left, the last point, and 4 up would be right here. Now if we graph this equation, it will end up being a parabola, which is a U-shaped graph like this.